you shopping for yourself? Are you shopping for yourself? Yeah? Are you picking out your own clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you like shopping?
No.
Do you like to shop? You're silly. Are you shopping? Hey, Vera, do you like shopping? Are you ignoring me? Come here. Baby. Psst. Come here.